Okay. Hey, I'm recording a video, and look at Mr. Stalker. Stalker, can you look at Daddy? What are you doing down there? He's under my desk right now. Stalker, come on. Are you getting mad at that angry bird? Come on, show him who's the boss. Yeah, that's right. Show him who's the boss. Come on, Stalker. Yeah, you give it to him. Step on that head. Oh, you're doing a good job there. He's so cute. Mr. Stalker, what are you doing to that angry bird? Does that feel good? It's so funny. What are you doing? You don't like getting the picture taken? Did you hear someone? Don't worry, you are all alone here. It's late at night. It's about midnight. No, actually it's only 11 o'clock. Yeah, come on, watch right here. Yeah. This is pretty cool, that picture-in-picture. Come on, Stalker. Look to Daddy. Look over here. He's so cute. Alright, he doesn't want to see me. Come on, step on that guy's head. You, step on. Come on, talk to me. Stalker, what are you doing? How come you're not talking tonight? You're concentrating very well, I can tell. He's purring away. Oh yeah, he likes that. Sitting on the angry bird. You're so funny, Stalker. Now what? Wait, you're gonna crawl in the garbage can now? Come on, just knock it over. There you go. What are you doing in there? Huh? Are you gonna go hide in there? Are you gonna hide in there? Oh, he's gonna help me clean up. Oh my God, look at you. Oh, it's a good thing there's no yucky garbage in there. Okay, alright, good night.